Qari has already introduced me. Let me just introduce myself once again. Badar is my name. For the last approximately more than 15 years, I am serving as an English language instructor. I train plenty of students from all walks of life, right from the age of 2.5 years until age of 79, or 69 years old people. Along with that, means different professionals like doctors, engineers, lawyers, bankers have been trained by me on spoken English or IELTS courses. What I believe is that you people just give a little attempt. If you try, you just get it done. I am really much inspired by this struggle that Qari Saifullah is just moving in and contributing here in the numaya city. I'll highly appreciate it. I would definitely say all of you do clap for Sir Saifullah. The way he's training you, the way he's teaching you, the way he's putting you on the right track, it is mind-blowing, marvelous. And I would also appreciate the participants who just came on the stage, delivered their words with full confidence, the way their attempt of neglecting the stage fear, it was amazing. Along with that, the deliverance of the words, choice of lexical resources, the eye contact, the physical confidence, it was all the way great. So much inspiring on your part, on your presentation, I would strongly say it. And now I want that you people again clap for all these participants. Very nicely prepared. और मैं बिल्कुल भी उम्मीद नहीं कर रहा था कि माशाल्लाह इस तरह का माहौल क्रिएट किया होगा भाई साहब ने, और मेरी उम्मीद मैं जितनी कर रहा था उससे कहीं ज़्यादा है। माशाल्लाह अल्लाह पाक कामयाब करें दुनिया और आखिरत में आप लोगों को। और आज का जो टॉपिक सीरत नबी, ये हमारे लिए तो मिशले राह है।
इक़रा-उल-क़ुरान अज़ीमुश्शान है।